Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the dating hurdles that single mothers face. I'm a single mom and I have been on a dating app some time back. And even I've dated a man in the past where I have seen firsthand the stigma and the judgment and the rejection that single mothers face because of their status. So the first stigma that they face is having a child. I mean, the child is seen as a baggage and the child is seen as a hurdle in the relationship. Like I've heard men not wanting me to bring my child because it will not, allow them to spend quality time with me. They don't understand that the child is a part of me, and if they want to accept a partner, they have to accept her with her child. But the child is seen as a baggage. In fact, my best friend Mayuri, she has said once that Pallavi, it's very difficult for an Indian man to accept a child that is not his own. वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि ये उसका बच्चा नहीं है, ये इंडियन मैन के बस की बात नहीं है, which was a very strong statement, and unfortunately by and large I have seen this happening as true. There are very rare men who are willing to accept single mothers and they understand the value add that single moms bring to their life. So dating a single mom has many benefits, which I will talk about in the further segment of this video. So you know French President Emmanuel Macron, or you have even in our own country we have Anil Kumble. Both of them have married single moms. So the stigma is just through hypocrisy. It is just because of hypocrisy. And you know what, I have seen that there is no resistance in dating single mothers because they are sexy, they are confident, they are attractive, they are independent. But it comes to casual dating. Like when I was on a dating app, I was swiped right by so many men who were wanting a casual relationship. And now after talking to one of those men, I told them clearly that I'm looking for a relationship. And they said, still we can explore a casual relationship. So this stigma that, if she's a single mother, she's so bold, like she has walked out of her marriage, which means she's bold and badass, and which means she would not mind a casual adventure. But that's again a totally a misconception that, if someone is a single mom, she is okay for having a casual sex. I've even seen some men lying to date. Like when I was in a relationship with a man, he lied to date me that, okay, yeah, he likes my child and he knows me as a whole. Like I have never hidden my own status as a single mother to anyone. But when it came 6 months down the line, he turned cold and he said that it's very difficult for me to accept a child. I see it largely as a patriarchal mindset rather than a practical challenge where it is said that you need to have your own progeny, you need to have your own blood. I think that rules higher in our society and families rather than a life situation of being a single mom. I would say there are so many benefits of dating a single mom, and trust me, the men who are married and men who are in relationship with single mothers, no one can know it better than them. Like as I said that we have so many role models. Like first benefit is that they can manage multiple responsibilities. Being a single mom is not easy. Like sometimes I have to pay the rent, sometimes I have to go and run to the school to get my child's book, or sometimes I have to finish that deadline. There are so many responsibilities and there is no one actually to share. So we learn up to do more in less time, and we are very flexible with that. So I have seen, like unlike in other homes where if one of the partners come home at late in the night because of some office work and they get just bashed by their partner that, okay, you are late. I think single mothers are highly flexible because they actually know what it takes. They actually know what it takes to manage multiple things at the same time with no help. The second thing, the benefit that single moms bring to the table is being independent. Of course, it takes guts to walk out of a dead marriage in Indian society, and they have done that. So they have that courage and they have that grit to live life, and they also want their me time, which is like, after doing so much of housework and office work, because most of the single mothers are working mothers, they need that me time to replenish and rejuvenate. So if you are a space loving person, dating a single mom means that no one is going to question you for spending a me time, because me time is really important for single mothers themselves. The third thing is single moms know how to love unconditionally. Being a single mom, I can say that my relationship with my child has deepened in this kind of family model, because I'm the only parent with my child. So we have developed a very deep bond. And this actually makes me experience that unconditional level first, in the first hand, where I have that unconditional love for my child, and so does my child. So unlike other families, when single mom experience a deeper love, at a very deeper level, they are able to translate, or they're able to share the same kind of experience with their partners. So you would actually see a very deep level of love when you are with a single mother. Fourth thing is that without a doubt, single moms are sexier. And I tell you why. Because sexiness is not just about how you look. Of course, being a single mom, being a working single mom, they have to take care of themselves because they are the only parents. So their focus on their health is, I have seen, much more than compared to other women. And secondly, also the confidence that they carry, they exude, I think it adds to their sexiness. Because sexuality is not just about how you look, it is also about how you feel, how you behave, how you approach people, how you talk, everything. And I think that confidence is the ultimate sexiness. The fifth thing is that they are really committed. Having a child means that no XYZ or no Tom, Dick and Harry can get invited to a single mom's world. She is extremely choosy when it comes to accepting a person in her own inner world, because she also knows at some level she might introduce the child, and hence no ordinary person would get entry. So if you are getting invited to a single mom's world, trust me, you are super special. So make the best use of it.